Well, hello everyone. So glad you could join me today. Welcome back to the channel. This is video 3 of the Merry Christmas Gnomes. And that's what it looks like prepared for the different drill painting. And this is what we finished so far, and we're working on this one today. Going to scroll that in a little bit. I'm gonna have to lower it down, of course. Let's see if we can get this started today. And let's go ahead and trying to look for a happy medium here. I'm a bit off on, there we go, that's much better. There we are. Awesome. You can see part of the legend here of the drill painting. It's quite similar to paint by number and other types like that. And we are going to be starting with the number 9. As always, please subscribe. It's absolutely free, no cost to you. Really helps out small content creator channels because it allows YouTube to put our channels more forward. Hit the thumbs up to show that you approve of it, and do the bell notification only if you want to be notified as soon as I release a video. And go ahead, ask questions, leave a comment, suggestions, ideas. Make sure they're 7 words or longer, or YouTube really doesn't acknowledge them. Today, because I've been having so many problems with this particular painting, I have put much less into the adhesive on my pens than ever before to see if it helps, and it appears to be a big help from what I can tell, how it's responding so far. I just hope that I managed to do the same with the other pen for the large sections. Whoops. At least to some extent. Doesn't mean that it's 100% foolproof. So, kind of frustrating. I was hoping that it would be like almost 100% proof. Okay, now we're gonna go and use the large pen. Let's see what happens with this. I'm going to have to remove one. There we are. Just one too many. And that one. Well, so far we're having a lot better success. Yeah, I put very minimal amount of adhesive in the grooves of the pen. That's what's used to pick up the drills seems to have had a lot better effect than what it was doing. Like I couldn't even barely get them off from the pens. So I'm definitely much more pleased. Whoops. Gotta cling on there for... Okay, come on. Go ahead and stick. Very good. And as always, I hope everyone is doing well, or as well as can be expected. I try to be very consistent with my videos. Make sure I put out one every day. Once in a great while, I have a bad day or a rough day. Things are happening and I don't get it out, but normally I try. Oh goodness, you know what I just did? Yeah. See, I wasn't paying attention. I put number 9 on the number 2s. Oh goodness. Yep. Wow. I haven't done that before. This is my first time. So, I got a choice. I can either let the video run while I correct it, or I can show you. So you're given different tweezers, and that's what I'm doing, is I'm using tweezers to unstick them. Now this is a pair of plastic tweezers. Some of them that they give you are metal. So plastic definitely is not as strong as metal, as you can see. Yeah, they're just kind of flying off. But it's working. Now it just goes to show you we all make mistakes, right? So my technical difficulty today seems to be my brain. Okay, so there's number 2s. That wasn't supposed to be there. Doesn't want to come off all the way. Okay, now it's sideways. So they do give you extra drills. Only once did I ever have some drills that I came very close to running out. But normally, no. Normally there's enough extra that you don't have to worry about it. So the good thing about the shadows underneath, if you look at them, you can see that these are all red. So that they're all off now. Number 2 is a very, very pale peach color, you could say, or you could call it flesh tone. So, depending on who believes that it's flesh tone in color. I guess it would be depend on which ethnic that you're talking about. This would be a white ethnic to be considered flesh tone. Okay. There we go. don't want to stick. All right. Now to make sure that we got them all. All right. So that was a pretty quick correction. Yeah. Nothing horrible. Now we have one of the letter N. Okay. One of the letter L. And then we have some sevens. And then all the rest of them are going to be the letter S. All right. Note we have a J and an A right there as well. I almost missed that. So we're going to hijack an A. And we're going to hijack a J. Now we'll pull out the letter S, which is a really, really palish, pinkish white for background. I'm gonna get a drink of coffee here. I feel I can use it. So I think what I'm gonna do first is fill in some of these small areas. Get them started. I notice I can't push real hard on these because the only thing pushing hard on the adhesive does is get it embedded into the adhesive. Similar to that right there. So, all right, going to get the bigger pen and we'll see what we can do with this. Okay. Okay, a little bit confused over that. So I said that seemed to be working well. Sorry about my cat. He's old. He acts senile at times. I'll catch him just staring out to nothing. believe there's like one too many on that. For that. There we go. Still one shy. Okay. Okay, I got one there that I have to fill in one right there. Alrighty. Sorry about that, everyone. One of my cats, you know. Hairball. What a mess. I'll just have to wait to clean it up. Unfortunately, I have cats that do not like just about anything to help with that. So, it's something that we deal with almost on a daily basis. It's because they excessively groom themselves. Cats are known to be groomers. They're quite clean about it. That's where the Sphinx cat is probably nice, that you don't have to worry about that happening because they don't have hair to get into their stomachs and then ball up and causes them to throw up. Alrighty then. We're just going to keep continuing with our rows. That's basically what we're doing, is our rows. Okay. Have to shake out my rows here. Go through a lot when you're doing large areas. Okay, now we're gonna work on this. Might as well do the lower part right there too. There we go. Okay, getting down there now. Looking good. Something's not right about this row. Let's find out what. It might be one shy. That's what it's starting to remind me of. Yep. See that? I can tell just by how it's... Whoa! On the pen. Sorry about that, everyone. Don't drop the pen. That would be the lesson there. Because it'll make a mess if you do. So... I just need to get some of this back on the tray. Shake my tray up to try to make rows. Okay. Put one there. I did not mean to drop my pen like that. Especially on the tray. Okay, let's go ahead and see about getting this one finished up, huh? Almost the same too as gave me trouble before on the other row. Let's see if that helps it. Okay. There we go. Sometimes you gotta spread them out. You know, I think I'm gonna do this by segments of 3. See how that goes. I used a small stylus, very few today. So all right. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. And until next time, see you then.